You're searching for the perfect home security system, and I found the answer after diving deep into Vivint, ADT, and SimpliSafe. I've researched everything: pricing, features, customer complaints, the works, so you don't have to waste hours scrolling through biased reviews. Make sure to watch till the end because I'm revealing which system offers the best bang for your buck and which one you should absolutely avoid. Starting with SimpliSafe. This is the system everyone's talking about for good reason. At $21.99 to $79.99 per month for monitoring and equipment packages starting around $250 to $730. It's the most affordable option on the table. What makes SimpliSafe stand out is the no contract policy. You can cancel anytime without penalty fees. The installation is completely DIY, which saves you money but means you're on your own if something goes wrong. Customer reviews consistently praise the straightforward setup process. ADT comes in at $24.99 monthly, with equipment packages starting at $269. ADT scored an impressive 9.3 in recent customer satisfaction reviews. And here's what 150 years in business actually gets you: rock-solid reliability that newer companies just can't match. The company offers professional installation, nationwide monitoring coverage, and equipment that's built to last years, not months. You're locked into contracts, which is the trade-off for their comprehensive service package, but you're getting a monitoring system that's been battle-tested over decades. Vivint is the premium option at $30 to $50 monthly, and honestly, the price difference is immediately obvious. The equipment quality is superior. We're talking professional-grade cameras, smart locks, and home automation that actually responds properly. The catch is, you must use professional installation, and you're committed to long-term contracts. But if you're serious about turning your home into a smart fortress, Vivint's technology is genuinely impressive. Here's the bottom line after analyzing all the data. SimpliSafe wins for budget-conscious buyers who don't mind DIY setup. ADT takes the crown for reliability and customer service. You pay a bit more, but get peace of mind. Vivint is the clear winner if money isn't your main concern and you want cutting-edge smart home features. But here's what most reviews won't tell you: the best system depends entirely on your specific needs. Subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns and drop a comment telling me which system caught your attention. Remember, the most expensive system isn't always the best system for you.